Hey guys, welcome to my new video. If you guys are bored with the normal mouse tracker on your website, so we are going to create this awesome mouse tracker animation on your web page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get into the video. Firstly, create a folder where you will save your project. So let's name our project folder named mouse tracker. Now open this with VS Code. Okay, it takes some time because I have a low-end PC. Okay, it's opening. I'm pausing the video recording. Wait. So yeah, our VS Code is started. Now we have to create a folder named index.html. Index.html. To create our HTML folder, shift this exclamation mark to input the boilerplate code. Our boilerplate code is here. Now let's create some divs to create the trail animation. Div.circle. Okay. Now we have to create 10 divs, or you can create more if you want more smoother animation. So that's it for the HTML file. Now let's link our CSS file. Link CSS. Now just click Ctrl and click on the style.css. It will automatically create a file named style.css. So let's give our total page a margin of 0 and padding of 0. Margin 0, sorry, and padding 0, and a background color with black, and cursor to none. Now let's design our h1 tag. Sorry, we have to create h1 tag which will be on our middle of the page. Let's create h1. Now let's name this mouse tracker. Now let's a line breaker and add a span tag to it. This one and span. Let's remove this. Okay, so this is already added to this. Okay, now design this h1 tag. Now let's give it a size of 100 pixels because this will be our main hero section, and font family of Ciago. And give this a color of white, otherwise it will be not visible on our page. Now justify content to the center and align item to the center. Now give a margin from top and left side. Margin from top 25 VH will be perfect, and margin from bottom, sorry, margin from left, let's give it 30 VW. Viewport width will be perfect for this. Okay, let's run this. It is starting our live server. So yeah, for now our web page is looking like this. We have no cursors, that's why there are no cursor on our website. Okay, now design our circles. Let's dot circle. Let's give it a height of 24 pixel and width of 24 pixel and border radius of 24 pixels, and give it a background color of white, and position to absolute. That's absolute. Now we will add each and every circle from top to 0 and bottom to and left to 0. We will manipulate this with JavaScript. Okay, from left it will be also 0. Okay, before doing that, let's check how our circles are looking. So it's here, dot circle. Okay, we have named this as circles, so let's rename this or change there. I am going to rename this. So find all references, sorry, let's change all occurrences. Where is it? Here. So let's change all occurrences with once. So we are done with this. Now I hope it will work. So let's check. So yeah, it is working. It is there on our circle. So let's add this control slash. It will auto save. Now yeah, so it is here. So when we will be redirected to our web page, it will be looking like this. The circles will be starting from here, and this will track our mouse point and continue with the page. Okay, so let's add our JavaScript file. So script src and script.js. Okay, now same for this, control click to create this named file, create file. It will add some time. Now let's create a variable, constant variable named coordinates. So const coords equals to x, which will be 0, and the y coordinate will be 0. When we will initialize it. Now let's create a event listener. Let's add a event listener, window dot add event listener, sorry, add event listener. Now there is a property called mouse move. Let's add this, and function of event. Now let's create this. Now circle dot x dot x equals to e dot client x, which will be giving us the coordinate of x, and coord dot y is equals to e dot client 1. Okay, so now check this, that our program is running perfectly or not. So console dot log and output the coordinates and enter, and let's test this. Now inspect console. So yeah, here if when we are moving our mouse, it will be giving us the coordinates x and for y. Yeah, can you see this here? These are the coordinates. Okay, so yeah, our code is working perfectly since. Okay, we will continue this from the next one. That's it for today. Thank you. If you liking this, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you.